All right, thanks, John. Yes, I love ideas when it comes to the crock pot. I'm always looking for something I can take to a party, and this would be a good option, wouldn't it, Melissa?
This is a party / tailgating food. This is good stuff.
Okay,
So.
and so it's using cheese because we're talking about dairy today.
Right.
And you were saying just a couple spoonfuls of this, and you'll have your dairy intake.
Theoretically, yeah.
All right. Well, tell me what it's called and what we need.
So it's a cheesy sausage dip.
Okay.
So we're also supporting our good friends, the pork producers.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we start with browning up some pork, like some Johnsonville Italian sausage. If you like hot or spicy, you're more than welcome to get the hot or spicy version. This is just the mild version here today.
Right.
though.
So most kids would probably like this one.
Yes, I'd start with
okay.
that. If you think you're ready for the next level, then take it to the next level. So
Okay.
you'll take one 16-ounce package of that, and you can just throw that in the crock pot.
Okay, so I can do that now.
Yes.
Ooh, need a spoon. Here we go. Great.
Perfect. And then you're also going to throw in an 8-ounce package of cream cheese.
Oh, right here.
So supporting our dairy farmers here.
Great.
And then one 16-ounce package of processed cheese. So Velveeta is usually what we use.
And cut it into cubes, right?
It
Makes
tends to melt
easier.
faster, yeah.
Okay.
So
Make sure I get that in there.
you know it's good if it's got Velveeta in it.
Oh, I know. My mom would always use this for like homemade mac and cheese, and
Yes.
always tasty. Okay.
So then you're going to do 1 can of whole corn.
Right here. Okay. And
Yeah.
do you get the juice off of it first?
Yeah, go ahead and drain it.
Okay. Otherwise it'd be too soupy already.
Yes, and then 2 10-ounce cans of tomatoes and green chilies.
Oh,
chopped
so
up.
the diced.
Yeah, Rotel tomatoes or whatever is your favorite.
Okay, great.
And then last but not least, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Sprinkle that on top. And then you just stir all that together or just put it in like that?
Put it in, I'd let it melt for a little while. Turn it on, give it maybe 2 hours. Ready to go. So make sure you stir it a couple times.
Oh, fast. All right. And
Yeah.
then whatever chips you prefer, right?
Yes, chips,
Okay.
whatever.
All right. Well, let's give it a try here. We have the finished product right over here.
Do.
This looks so good. And just stir it probably before you serve it.
Yep.
Okay. Get a little bit out on here. Perfect. Great. And I like how you have the Stars and Stripes here today
Oh yes.
for Memorial Day. And this would be good to take, wouldn't it?
It would. This is perfect for the long weekend. Husker football's right around the corner. Lots of opportunities.
It is so good. I love it with the sausage in there.
Yes.
Perfect. All right. And we do have this recipe already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Back to you, John.
All right, and our thanks to